welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Bath & Body Works candle haul. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I am so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties, those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goals is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? Hope you guys all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, this past weekend, honey, it was epic for me. I had so much fun. And so I'm going to let you guys know a little bit about what happened with the Bath & Body Works Candle Day sale. But other than that, I've been cleaning up my house. I've been taking naps and stuff, binge watching you guys' videos, looking at Instagram and TikTok, and, you know, that kind of things. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome week. All right, sweeties, so let me tell you a little bit about Bath & Body Works Candle Day. You guys, it started on the 1st through the 3rd. And so what happened was on the 1st, it was open to the people who are members. And so, sweeties, y'all, it was a little bit different this year. So I was kind of pretty shocked because there wasn't that many people in line at all where I went. So I have about, I don't know, maybe about 3 or 4 or maybe 5 Bath & Body Works that's near me. But I went to one that's really was close. And so they were the only ones that was open up at 5 o'clock in my area. Honey, y'all, I got up super duper quadruple early because at first I wasn't even going to go. I said I was going to pass it up this year, but you know, I went on and just buy. I just went on and just bit the bullet, and just went on and decided to go. So, sweeties, guess what? I ended up getting there at 2:45 a.m. in the morning because my mind frame was set on, I thought for sure it was going to be a lot of people, right? So I got there early because, honey, I want to be the first one in line. And sure enough, I was, y'all. So my twin ended up coming. She ended up coming around maybe about 3:45 or something like that. And the weather, y'all, it was raining and it was kind of cold, y'all. But, honey, I didn't mind. I went on and just, you know, I sat in my car for a while. And then when my twin came, we had both got out our cars, you know, and then we started standing up. But, y'all, we noticed still wasn't nobody there. It was just us two. And I was like, oh, my goodness. So time went on. And it was about like 10 minutes to 5. And that's when people started coming in. But guess what, y'all? It was only a total of 10 of us in line. And I promise y'all, that was so unusual. And so, but I was still excited, y'all, because it just gave us a chance to, you know, roam around the stores and not be, you know, like squished up and, you know, like up against the walls and all that kind of stuff, waiting in long lines. So, honey, I had got what I wanted, and me and my twin. And so, y'all, we got out of there. Y'all, we was done in about 30 minutes, you know. And so I was super excited about that. And so those of you guys that don't know about what Candle Day is at Bath & Body Works, every year they do this big price, you know, low pricing. And so, y'all, the candles was down to $9.95 each of the 3 wick big candles. And so that is an awesome deal, y'all. So, of course, I budgeted out and I saved. But guess what? My intentions, even though I had saved up, my intentions was to only get 4 candles. And guess what, y'all? Y'all know me, honey. I ended up buying a total of 7 candles. So, sweeties, I'm not going to hold you up. I'm going to show you exactly what I end up getting. All right, sweeties. So the first thing I want to show you is the bag that it came in. So, sweeties, they on the sides, you know, they give, you know, like they have these candle carts that they put them in. You know, if you got a lot of them, trays, candle cart trays, you know, cardboard trays. So anyway, so sweetie, so of course I had one, and so they gave you this beautiful bag. And so this bag this year, it says 2023 annual candle day, Bath and Body Works. And so it's in red this year. I absolutely love this one, because it usually be in the blue and white, like they logo type of colors. And so this year it was red. So I thought that was super cute. And this is a nice size reusable bag. And so I absolutely love this. So I'm going to place this on the side. All right, sweetie. So the first candle I want to show you, this is the sugared pomegranate. And so, sweeties, I absolutely love the snowflake top. It's in silver, and you guys, it is beautiful. I love the packaging on there. And so I want to let you guys know that I did a little bit of scoping around before, like on the Thursday, and I had picked out what candles that I wanted to get, and so this was one of them. So I absolutely love this one. And so this is the 3-wick once again, and so this is the white base. And so you guys, this smells so good. And so, sweeties, let me see. I got this little plastic right there. I don't know where it come from. But anyway, y'all. So, sweeties, I absolutely love this candle. It's so gorgeous. And so, let me tell you what the keynotes are. So, it says sugar pomegranate. It says sugar pomegranate, pink grapefruit, sparkling bergamot with natural essential oils. You guys, these candles, this one here, the original price was $24.95, and I absolutely love this one, and so I cannot wait to use it. I'm going to place this one on the side. So the next candle, you guys, this is one of my favorites. This is called Sun Drenched Linen. You guys, I absolutely love this one. And so this is in a light blue packaging. I hope you guys can see it. And so this is a silver top, and it has white barn on top of it. So, sweeties, let me read the keynotes on this one. But wait, let me smell it, y'all. I got to smell it. You guys, this is beautiful. And so this is what it looks like. This is a white base. And so, sweeties, let's see the keynotes. It says sun-drenched linen. It says fresh linen, crisp tart apple, soft musk with natural essential oils. And so, sweeties, look at this price of this candle. This price was $26.95. Once again, sweeties, this is my all-time favorite. And honey, when it was $9.95, I had to jump on it. So, sweeties, I'm going to place this one on the side. All right. So the next candle, it is this one. This is called Crunchy English Toffee. And so, honey, by the name, if y'all been watching my channel for a while, and those of you guys that are new, I absolutely love food. I love play food. It could be in a toy form, squishy form. It could be anything, y'all. I just love it. It could be like a writing pen. They got food on it, y'all. Stickers with food. I absolutely love food. So when I saw this one, honey, this was right up my alley. So, sweeties, this in this beautiful, like royal blue kind of, no, it's not. You know what? Navy blue, kind of navy blue and gold packaging. I absolutely love this one. It says Village Candy Wonderful Christmas. It says Cheery Treat makes the season wonderful. It's all this all around it. I absolutely love how this looks. And so the writing is all in gold. And so, sweeties, this is what the top of it looks like. It says Bath and Body Works. And so this is, the base is white. And so let me smell it. You guys, it smells so good. I smell a little bit of, to me, it smells like chocolate and toffee mixed together, y'all. Absolutely love this one. And so let me read the keynotes. And the keynotes, it says Crunchy English Toffee. It says sweet brown sugar, crunchy toffee, dash of vanilla extract with natural essential oils. And you guys, if you can see it, this original price on this candle is $26.95. I am super excited. I can't wait to burn this one. All right, sweetie. So the next candle is this one. This is called Raspberry Thumbprint. I absolutely love this packaging, you guys. This is in red, and it has Santa Claus, and it has a little presents all around it, and I absolutely love it. And so the top, it is a beautiful gold top, kind of bronzy gold. And sweeties, it has all the little reindeers, and it has trees on it. I absolutely love this one, and it looks like it has like little snowflakes as well. So, sweeties, and I just couldn't wait to get this. I heard so much about this one, and so I just couldn't, once again, I couldn't wait to get it. So let me open it up. And so if you guys can see the base of it, it is white. Oh my goodness, you guys, this smells so good. And so let me tell you what the keynotes is on this one. This is raspberry thumbprint. This is buttery shortbread, rich raspberry jam sprinkled with powdered sugar, made with essential oils. And you guys, wait, let me smell this one again. You guys, yep, I can smell the raspberry and the shortbread in this one, you guys. This is a good one. Absolutely love it. And so look, you guys, the original price on this one was $26.95. And so I absolutely love this one. Can't wait to use this one as well. All right, sweeties. So the next one, this is called Cosmopolitan. Absolutely love the packaging. I love how the pink looks. It has the Santa Claus hat, and it has the little drinks down here, presents and stuff. It is so super cute. And so you guys, look how beautiful the top part is. These are beautiful, like Christmas ornaments. I absolutely love this one. And so let me open it up. And so inside, you guys, the base is pink. You guys, it smells so good. You guys, I actually smell, to me, it kind of smells a little bit similar to watermelon lemonade. Let me smell one more time. Oh yeah, sweeties, it smells so good. So let me tell you what the keynotes is on this one. This one says Cosmopolitan. And so this is it says up on the rooftop bar, Santa's taking a little detour to meeting Mrs. Claus for drinks. So let me see. I don't see any keynotes on this one. Let me see if it's on the front. Oh no, I actually don't see it, you guys. That's strange. I didn't even, pay attention to it. But anyway, sweeties, the original price on this one is $24.95. Once again, it is beautiful. And to me, it kind of smells a little bit similar to watermelon, the watermelon one, y'all. And so I absolutely love how this one is and how it looks. It's pink. And so I can't wait to try this one. All right, sweetie. So this one came on the 2nd. So I went back on the 2nd and purchased like the last two that I'm going to show you. This one and the other one. So, sweeties, I had to get this one. Once again, anything that related with food, honey, I had to get this one. So this one is brioche French toast. And so the packaging is a little bit unique, a little bit different. So to me, it's kind of like a orangish, darkish orange, I don't know, like white packaging. And so once again, it's kind of unique. And so this is what the top of it looks like. It has white barn on it. And so it's kind of beigeish color. And so I thought this was super cute and unique. And so here it is, sweeties. The keynotes, it says brioche French toast. And the keynotes, it says fluffy brioche toast, rich maple syrup, a dollop of butter sprinkled with cinnamon with natural essential oils. And so, sweeties, let me smell this one. Yeah, I smell strong maple syrup on this one. And the base of this is white. And I do smell vanilla on it, but no, it's buttery. I do smell like a little bit of butter and cinnamon. And also, to me, I smell a little bit of vanilla. But even though it doesn't say that on there, I kind of smell it. But anyway, sweeties, I absolutely love anything with food. And so this one is a good one. And I cannot wait to try this one out. I'm going to move this on the side. And last but not least, this is my other candle. And so once again, the packaging is a little bit unique. It has like light pink and white on it. And so this one is called Hot Pink Cocoa. And so this is what the top of the packaging looks like. Excuse me. It's kind of like a beige color and it has white barn on it. And so the keynotes on this one, it says Hot Pink Cocoa. It says sweet ruby chocolate, whipped vanilla cream, raspberry sprinkles with natural essential oils. And so you guys, this one, the original price is $26.95 on this candle. And let me go back to see with the brioche French toast. The original price on this one was $26.95 as well. And so, sweeties, let me open this one up and let me show you what the base of it is. A white base. And you guys, I love this one. I smell, you know, the fragrance pink sugar. I smell a little bit of that in there, and cocoa. You guys, this is a nice one. I absolutely love this one. And so, sweeties, I had enjoyed myself with these beautiful candles. Candle day, I really enjoyed myself once again because it wasn't crowded, nothing at all. I was able to buy what I wanted. And so, sweeties, I bought a total of, I hope you guys can see all of them. I bought a total of 7. And I am, once again, I'm super excited about all of them. And so, sweeties, each one of those for Candle Day, once again, was $9.95. And so, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. And don't forget to watch the ads on my videos and after and during my videos. And I will see you in my next one.